Our topic today is ICD-10 PCS coding of neurosurgical procedures seen in the pediatric setting. My name is Lynn Kuehn, and I'm the author of numerous ICD-10 PCS coding courses for Libman Education, including a suite of pediatric-specific courses. Today's presentation is a sampling. To start this discussion, let's talk about two conditions that are seen frequently in pediatrics. They are called meningocele and myelomeningocele. Meningocele is on the left, and you can see that the meninges have bulged out through an opening in the spinal column that didn't develop correctly. The spinal cord is all within the canal where it belongs. The meningocele is just a hernia of the meninges, and that's the difference between these two conditions. Then on the right side, you see the myelomeningocele. In this condition, the spinal cord is also bulging out into the hernia sac, along with the meninges. The name indicates that both the spinal cord and the meninges are involved. As we talk about the coding, we need to think of these as hernia defects. Both of these repairs are coded using a body part value of T for spinal meninges. For hernias, I like to refer to the hernia repair as being all about the hole. When coding these repairs, it isn't about putting anything back into the hole. It's about repairing the hole. Now let's talk a little bit more about meninges. Supplementing of the dura or the meninges is common in some procedures, including both meningocele and myelomeningocele repair, and intracranial procedures as well. Why do they need to do this? The reason is because once they open the dura or the meninges to do a procedure, it often shrinks. They might need to add more tissue because there isn't enough for some reason, and that is common with both of these repairs. The common product that they use for this is Duragen. This is made of bovine tissue, but the supplement table for the nervous system doesn't contain a device value for zooplastic. This means we're going to code non-autologous tissue substitute. That's because it's tissue, but it's not the patient's own tissue. They could also use a patient's own tissue for an autologous device that gets harvested. For this, they typically use fascia or a very thin layer of muscle to repair the dura depending on where the defect is. This is just one of many subjects that I teach on pediatrics. I have an entire coding suite available from Libman Education that covers all the topics of pediatrics in great detail. It has 15 parts to it and covers all of the body systems. Also, the root operation flashcards are available from Libman Education to help you with complex root operation decisions, and the vascular flashcards are also available from Libman Education.